Hulbert. Lawr yr asgell chwith ac I mewn I cwrt Cosby. Oli Hulbert yn tynnu'r beli nôl. A fe darodd I Brandon Diaw. Yr ymwelwyr yn honni. Dylen nhw fod wedi cael kick o'r smotyn. A'r bel dros yr amddiffyn I lwybr Cumming tu mewn at Acpan. Wdi Acpan! A'i ergyd o'n syth at nhw Chris. Tomlinson! Ergyd o bell. Yn cael ei harbed gan Alfie Brooks. I nath yr ergyd symud yn yr awyr. Keenan Patton yn dechrau'r ail hanner i'r ymwelwyr. Dim newidiadau gan y naill dim na'r llall ar yr hanner. Kane McLagan. Carlamin I flaen ac yn ergydio! Ac ar ôl tair eiliad ar 10 o'r ail hanner, mae'r ymwelwyr wedi mynd ar y blaen. Kane McLagan efo'i 7th gôl o'r tymor ac efo pethau mor agos sy'n gwylod y tabl. Fe alla honna fod yn gôl anfarth. Harrison Bright. Bas fach tu mewn o Tomlinson. Tomlinson yn troi! A fe darodd o hi'n dda. Alfie Brooks yn gwneud yr arbediad. Diaw yn ildio'r meddiant I holi o Hulbert. Hulbert I mewn I cwrt Cosby! Ac ergyd Hulbert yn syth at Alfie Brooks. Dihangfa i'r tîm cartra. Da ni mewn i'r 6 munud sy'n ei ychwanegu. A diwedd y 90. Cic gornel i'r tîm cartra! A'r peniad heibio'r postyn. A dyna'r agosa a Bae Colwyn wedi dod drwy'r pnawn.
Yeah, it's a big result. Any win on the road is big in this league. It's tough to get points, and we found it tough this season to get points. So yeah, I think it might be our first away win. So nice to get 3 points away from home, and actually the journey home is a bit sweeter rather than being a long one.
On the performance, I weren't that too disappointed, but in any football, you know, the last 5 minutes of any game, you know, the first 5 minutes are vital, and to come out like that in the second half is not acceptable. And you know, one lapse in concentration has cost us today. And that said, you know, the attackers, you know, weren't ruthless. We created enough chances to win the game or get something out of the game, and we didn't. So the story of our season, where you know we're lapsing in concentration at one end and then not being ruthless at the other, and you know it's come back to bite us on again. So you know we've got to move on quickly because we've got CNS Tuesday.
I've said to the players, we're improving every game. The belief is growing, and like I say, to come here today with probably, I think we got about 9 players out. I think we had 6 development boys on the bench. To come here and really control the game. I never thought we was in trouble, and to get a clean sheet was fantastic. So we're slowly building a bit of momentum at this point in time.
To a man, really. I think everybody's put in a real good shift. I think we deserved it just from our work ethic, if you like, and the back 5 probably deserve to get a clean sheet. We haven't had enough this season, but they've been close to getting them. They've worked really hard at the basics, at heading things away and clearances and doing the ugly stuff which you have to do up here on a grass pitch, which we haven't played on for a long time. So yeah, full credit goes to them, really. We're always probably going to nick a goal or two. We do score goals as a team, but we haven't been keeping enough clean sheets. But today they were brilliant, so yeah, they deserve a lot of credit.
We went too long a lot today, you know, which I weren't too pleased about. But you know, when we actually started passing it and moving them, you know, we created some great opportunities. But again, we didn't take them. So we need to continue to work hard, continue to stick together, and you know, we know it's going to be a battle, and you know, we got to keep battling.
It bodes well now going forward. You know, we're building confidence, we're building a little bit of momentum, and that's massive in football. So if you can continue that, I think we'll be in a good place.